there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Mbadiwe.com. Today I have yet another amazing software application for you. This one is called Sapphire, and this one is from Billy There, and in a nutshell is an AI application that helps you create this new generation YouTube channels in just 60 seconds, and you can do this without having any special skills, without doing any videos, without subscribers, and of course you can always use this to create your income online by reviewing products, or even saying anything you want to say online. As long as it creates value for people, this very application is going to create such a populated YouTube account for you, and you'll be able to use this channel to do your business. This product is going live today, Monday the 16th of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time. If you are new to my channel, I would encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And at any time you decide to pick up this amazing software AI product, do use that first link below in my description area. Now I will show you through the if you click that very link below in my description, the first link, it will bring you to the sales page where you will find buttons that are going to give you access to my Warrior Plus account while you buy this product. And of course, a copy of it will become yours if you do. Okay, you can, when you come, you will see you have a certain degree of discount that is going to actually help you make money. Normally this is the right price, but with this very code button, you can easily buy this product at a discounted price. And of course, there are other links scattered all over this page where you can pick up a copy for yourself, like this link. In any case, I will show you also the bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are definitely going to blow your mind, because there are training courses and of course softwares that are going to help you definitely get your traction online, making money. Of course, showing you the pricing also. Now let's see the benefits you have with this amazing product, which is called Sapphire. And I mean, imagine being able to create YouTube channels for clients, and all that, and populate it with videos that are going to actually go viral, and it helps you also use the other people's content, which is going to be tweaked in a way legally to actually give you such audience you need to be able to review your product or do anything you want to do on YouTube. And you have a lot of things, and this is some of the benefits. How 100,000 plus ordinary people are making full-time income on YouTube, and why YouTube is the future, and how anyone, regardless of tech skills, can get free traffic, leads, and sales using this very application. And of course, you have the reason to actually get this one, because it is going to show you why YouTube is the future, and how anyone, regardless of any tech skills you have, can get information across to other people. And I mean, it goes on and on. So this is an amazing product which you can get yourself. And of course, I will leave most of these readings for you when you arrive here. I mean, when you click that first link below in my description area. So let us see. This is Billy There, the creator of this amazing product, and of course, he is the creator of what was that? I think was it Majestic? One other good product I reviewed recently that he created. And you can see these are some of the people who are making a lot of money on YouTube, and you can as well replicate using this application some of their results. Okay, now I will leave you at the end of the day to come and see if this is going to be for you by going through the sales page yourself and read all the information you have as for benefits. And of course, I will put the demo video of this product in action in my description, and also possibly play it here for you, because I was not able to actually get a copy of this very product review access from the creator. As of now, the password I had is faulty, so I will leave that to you to make up your mind if you are going to use Sapphire to create YouTube channels for clients and for yourself within a couple of minutes, and that will be operational because AI does the whole job for you. So like I said before, I'm going to leave the result of this very sales page to you when you arrive, and then you'll be able to see if this is going to be for you. But for now, let us see if we can this is the hard way. If you want to actually become successful on YouTube, this is how you start, which is the hardware. You research the niche, you create a YouTube account, you buy expensive camera equipment, you have a video manually, and you get 0 views, no traffic, no sales, and you can accept a job. It's miserable in the future. Now you have the easy way, which is the way of this Sapphire product. You activate to exploit YouTube, enter in some basic information, let AI create set and forget YouTube channels for you, and of course Sapphire does it all and makes you up to this amount every day, even when you are sleeping. So these are the takes on this one, and of course the benefits by doing it yourself, because I mean it takes a lot to do a video and upload it, maybe an hour or two. Sometimes it takes more than that depending on how fast the person is, but this AI does that in a very, very short time for you, in a couple of minutes. So that's one of my takes on this one, and I think you will be able to get access to this and read for yourself if this is going to be for you. For now, what we are definitely going to do is to play the video of this product in action, so that you see if this is going to be something you may need to actually get started online, and of course use your own personal strategies to make things work for you. Okay, so now let's play the video, and then we'll come back to actually see the pricing and my bonuses.
A channel where I review IT products and training courses to help you make money online. Now let's see the pricing for Sapphire.
This one front end is $17. Like I told you before, you can get it for less by actually going through the coupon that is going to come from the roof of this very page. When you access the sales page, you'll be able to see the coupon that is going to actually help you do so, and of course you'll be able to use this button to buy it for a discounted price. Okay, and now let us see the pricing for the OTOs. The upsell number 1 is called the unlimited version. It goes for $147, and the world first and only miracle bot powered by Google AI and unlimited free traffic is included in this one, and everything is basically unlimited. And you have the upsell number 2, which is Sapphire done for you, setup $297. Everything is done for you. Everything is set up for you to work on autopilot. You have also upsell number 3, Sapphire Autopilot Edition, which is $39. This one, everything is set up for you for autopilot. And you have upsell number 4, which is $200 done for you, campaigns edition for $39. That's a lot of campaigns for you by the team of this launch. And you have upsell number 5, which happens to be the last one, which is the franchise edition, and this one means you can hold a franchise to this product, and it goes for $197. And with this, your customers will get bumped up to 85% across the entire funnel for this very product, and additional tutorials on how to promote the funnel to make massive sales for yourself. Now that brings us to the bonuses that I have lined up for you. The first one is called Latitude, which is how to make money on NFTs on blockchain using non-fungible tokens for digital ads. And you have also the bonus number 3, TweetX, which is a Chrome extension that teaches you, gets you actually traffic from Twitter, which is now X, to any offer of your choice. Now you have number 3, the Surgency, a complete training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You have also number 4, the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which is going to teach you and get you free buyer traffic online. You have also the Very JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot application that is going to help you drive traffic to any offer of your choice, chatting with your clients. And you have also number 6, which is my favorite, the lockdown formula, with which I started online, and this teaches you how to start from scratch and scale your business online to your heights. Okay, now you have also number 7, which is the last one, the Commission Toolbox. What is actually operating online without having the basic tools you need that will make work easy for you. So here you have over 1,000 links that are going to give you access to capabilities like link shorteners, background removers, video editors, image editors, and of course resizing editors and all that. Okay, so you have all that. At any point you decide to buy this one, when you click that link in my description, like I said, it's going to bring you to the sales page where you pick up this product using any of the buttons here, which I showed you before, and you will definitely find them. I don't know why my system is actually very slow, and how this button definitely will give you access to buying this product. And after you purchase on my Water Plus account, you find a page under your purchase history like this, and you have this button gives you access to Sapphire, and this one gives you access to these crazy and insane bonuses that I have for you, which you cannot find anywhere else. Okay, so in that case, we will definitely gradually come to the end of this very product. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And definitely I'll be back with you in my next review. Till then, I remain Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, guys, from here is goodbye.